Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change your profile avatar on Peacock TV. To change your profile avatar, first of all, open up your web browser. Go to the URL box and type in peacocktv.com and search. Make sure that you're logged into your Peacock TV account as well. Once you're signed in, go ahead and click on your profile avatar at the top right hand corner. Now, click on the pencil icon right under your profile that you are trying to change the avatar of. This will take you to edit your profile, where you can simply click on change avatar right next to the avatar option. On the next page, choose the avatar you want to change to for your profile. After selecting an avatar, you will be able to change your avatar. The new avatar has now replaced the older one. So that's how you easily change your avatar on Peacock TV. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.